Well, welcome back. Welcome back. My name is Jim, and we had a slow start this morning in the markets. Let's take a quick look at what's going on. It seems that after I make that video, not that I'm famous or anything, but LTCN just seems to keep doing pretty nicely. Where is it at? It's right here. We're at 15% in the last 7 days that it has gone up. We were down a little 1% in the last 24 hours. We're back up 1% again. Bitcoin Cash just a tiny little bit up. However, looking at our grayscales and Bitcoin, of course, it's still going sideways. And this stuff doesn't, which is kind of nice in a way. It's kind of like nice to see stability. Um, but we have, let's see, the only other one is BNB, Bed and Breakfast. No, it's not Bed and Breakfast. It's Binance Finance. It's an exchange, a token from. It's not a token. It's a coin from the exchange. I think it's a coin. I don't know. Who cares? I don't get into these too much, but it's very popular because Binance is a very popular exchange. That's why it's up here. Not that it's used by many people, but it's still popular. So, and plus the people that trade, they get a discount if they hold Binance money coins. Cardano is still doing good, 5% over the last 7 days. XRP is going up just a little bit today. Solana is basically same, but yeah, that's the natives, and the meme coins are. They're not as hot as before. Everything's kind of reddish. Reddish, which is kind of nice. Hopefully, that money from here goes into the serious markets. Let me show you this chart real quick. This is the our little chart for altcoin season, and they've added more information down here. It's 75% of the top 50 coins. If 75% perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days in its altcoin season, excluded from the top 50 are stable coins. But we have stuff like, what is this here? BGB. What is BGB? I have no idea what BGB is. I don't know. This is the way they're doing it. They're measuring it. I know XLM, XRP have gone up quite a bit. This Hedera, whatever, I've never heard of it. It's something new. TRX, it's also up. Algorand. But these coins are performing well. They're doing better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. So, I hate to say that this is the benchmark for determining altcoin season. To me, it's not. It's not yet. When altcoin season kicks in, the altcoins just move like crazy. They move crazily. I want to show you something else too. Filegate is up $7 today, 30%. It's been going sideways, but they've moved up in the last few minutes. LTCN is up to 88 cents. Yeah, you can see that. 88 cents up to 11.28. I bought it at 10.30, I believe. I bought a little bit, and then I bought some BCHG. It's kind of up 5%. I wanted to buy a little bit more. But anyways, who knows? The whole day is kind of green today, and they're doing okay. The grayscales are doing okay today. Uh, it's kind of encouraging. It seems that all the sell-offs, everybody jumped board when they heard about the LTCN going into becoming an ETF. But then again, it's like, like I said, the ETFs are going to be, you're going to have probably you're going to have options. I don't know how if they're going to. I don't know what the plan is, but if it becomes optionable, LTCN is like, they're playing along with GBTC and the big guys. Okay, it's not just a little trust anymore. It's gonna be you know, can I maybe say that LTCN may be the next MSTR in a sense? MSTR is basically, I got five. MSTR is basically Bitcoin, and can LTCN perform like an MSTR? And who knows? Who's to say that if Grayscale starts buying more coins? I think they have like 240. I don't remember how many coins they have. Sorry, I don't know everything. But if they start buying more coins and LTCN starts going up, this is gonna. It may be very very cheap right now actually to still buy LTCN, but it's moved. It's 8.5% in one day. BCHG, the almost 5%. Yeah, so that's what's going on there. I wanted to show you something else too. I got this option, and my plan is I haven't seen this done. Nobody's done it in the internet yet. Videos. I haven't seen any rollover videos, and I learned about this when I was doing the MSTR, that option that I had that it gained 300% in 2.5 months or so, maybe, probably not even that. It was up to 600%, but I got out because I wanted to move some of them cash over to the native cryptocurrencies. And I learned about the rollover, and I never really done that before. And this could, you can roll this over indefinitely. This is going to expire in next month on the 14th. So before this, I have to roll it over to probably a couple months away or so. So every time you're paying like $1,300 or so, and you can keep rolling this indefinitely, and it's already gone up. QQQ has only gone up like 35 cents. The stock is $500, and this option here is one call, March 14th call. No puts, no nothing, no straddles, no strangles, no iron maidens or whatever. Iron condors. Okay. And it's gone up 30% in in a few hours. Okay, and now I've been thinking about this. It's like, what if I roll it over? And roll it over. Hold on a second. Okay, so what if I start rolling this over every 2 months, 4 months, 5 months? Because I don't have the whole, I don't have cash to buy like a call for like 2026 or expiration 2027, because it's like $8,000 to buy this, and I don't have the cash right now to do that. Let's say I keep rolling this over every month, just rolling it over, and until every I don't know, 3 months or so. Yeah, each time I gotta pay like $1,500 or so, but hopefully I'll have the cash so I can just keep rolling it over and rolling it over. And in a year's time, this is going to be a nice quantity. So this is just a little test. Let's test it out and see. Let's see what happens. I haven't seen this done. The downside is that the market crashes and this loses all its value. And I'm not sure if I could rebuy it back. I don't know. We'll see. If there's a crash, I might be able to keep rolling them, and it'll be a lot cheaper. And then I can buy the, if there's a big crash, then I can buy the full option without buy the full option a lot cheaper. We'll keep our eyes on that one. So that's just a little test. As far as the other options, I got this AMD DJT. It was just a little test here. It wasn't a lot of money. NVIDIA was the most expensive one. That one is, NVIDIA's been going kind of sideways. It hasn't moved from 140. It's been going 125 to 135 or so, and it'll probably change. It'll probably change with a little time. It seems that the AI stuff is kind of died down a little bit, the noise, and the meme coins also appears to have ceased to make too much of a wave out there. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I just wanted to inform you guys what I'm up to, and some of the latest developments in the crypto, especially our grayscale stuff, especially LTCN and LTC. It's once people start coming in, I mean, look at this, 9%. Okay, that's what happens. You if you bought it at 10, I did buy some at 10.30, I think it was, and I did buy some BCHG the other day. Hopefully, it goes down a little bit more. Hey, people, BCHG is going to be converted into an ETF. Oh no! Sell all your shares, please, so I can pick them up very cheaply. Jeez. Someday. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're getting a lot closer, guys. Bitcoin is not moving from that mountain huge mountain that I see that it's built up over the last year and a half or so since Bitcoin was running. I don't think we've seen the beginning of, well, we'll see. Okay, guys, have a good day, and all's well over here. Hopefully everything's well with you. Bye-bye.